How to turn off iPhone without buttons. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Scroll down to the end and tap on Shutdown. Alternatively, you can also use Siri to turn off your phone. Say "Hey Siri, turn off my phone," or a similar command like "Hey Siri, shut down." Siri will then ask for confirmation, at which point you should say yes to power off the device, or select power off manually as shown. Following these steps, you can easily turn off iPhone without buttons. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.